What's going on, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back once again, and we got a special treat for you here today. This is a Heat Recovery Systems Industrial Ceiling Fan, or HRS for short. This fan was manufactured sometime back around the mid, possibly even the early 1980s. I'd say around 1985-ish, possibly 1986. I'm not really too good on dating these old industrial fans. But basically what this thing is a relabeled Enrivrofan Gold Line. This thing uses a huge cast iron motor. Of course, the Enrivrofan specific wide curved tip blades. The fan is in a dark brown finish. The finish has been touched up in the past with some lighter brown paint. And of course it looks like it needs some more touching up, but it is what it is. This fan came out of an old bowling alley, I think somewhere down in the south. A fellow fan collector saved 4 of these, and for one of them I really don't know the story, but I ended up with this one from the Fanimation meet I bought it off him, since I really can't seem to be lucky on these older industrial finds like a lot of other collectors are, so I usually have to get mine from somebody else. But anyway, it is definitely a very cool fan, very powerful indeed. These Gold Line industrials are actually still made today, and they still use cast iron motors, and are some of the best industrials money can buy these days, which is really cool that they still make them like this. There's this 80s one here. But nothing really much else to say about it. For purposes of testing, I'm using a 5-speed choke control. Now, and of course, the industrial fan's non-reversible. So, we'll go ahead and start it up with speed number 1. Slide the camera over there a little bit so you can see the entire fan. The fan wobbles a little bit. There is a bent blade somewhere. One of the blades are bent a little bit, so it causes a wobbling issue, but otherwise a very smooth running fan. One of the bearings on it were replaced sometime back in the 90s, from what I was told. The other one's still original, and they're pretty smooth. They make some noise, but they're pretty smooth. Otherwise, it's a pretty quiet fan, aside from the small motor buzz, which comes from the choke control. Take it at speed number 2. Take it up to speed number 3. Take it to speed number 4. And finally, we'll take it up to speed number 5. And this is full tilt here. This thing's got to be doing at least 250 RPM if I were to guess. Like I said, these things are obscenely powerful fans. He's probably just a hair bit more powerful than the older cast Dayton Industrials from around the same time. Yeah, we'll go and let the fan coast. Unfortunately, the fan's ID information tag on the top is a little bit faded, so I mean, if I really tried, I can probably give you a model number, but I've really never tore into I actually removed the lower canopy on the fan, so I really can't give you an actual model number on this fan, but it's not really a big deal anyway. I know of another bowling alley actually local to my house here, right around 10 minutes away at the very most, that has a bunch of these installed still. I want to say there's probably pushing 30 of them. I mean, it's a huge bowling alley, but they got these Gold Lines Industrials installed in them, still in use today. And I'm not sure if they're actually labeled Gold Line or if they're HRS like this one is, or some of them were even rebranded under Brunswick, which was a supplier for bowling alley equipment. So I guess they put fans in their packages as well for bowling alleys, so they might be labeled those as well. I don't know. It's been a long time since I've been here. But anyway, fan has come to a stop here, so we'll go ahead and end off the video. So that was the HRS Heat Recovery Systems 56-inch dark brown industrial ceiling fan, relabeled Enrivrofan Gold Lines. So thanks for watching, and we'll hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, we'll see you next time.